everyone, we are going on the monorail to the horseshoe, formerly something else. It was Bobby's once.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is Horseshoe and Paris Las Vegas Station. Our next stop is the closest station to the Bellagio and its iconic fountain show. Planet Hollywood, featuring the Miracle Mile Shops, the Cosmopolitan, featuring Marquee Night and Day Club, the Eiffel Tower Experience at Paris Hotel and Casino, and City Center, which includes Aria Resort and Casino, the Gara Hotel and Spa, Waldorf Astoria, Beaver Towers, and Crystal's Retail District. This cutting-edge automatic control system, the Las Vegas monorail runs without anyone at the wheel. And that's the best designated driver we can think of in a city where the party never ends.
Whee! More going on either side. I'm not a big area. There's the horseshoe.
Now arriving at Horseshoe and Paris Las
Alright,
Vegas
no more
Station.
horse around. Time to get out.
This monorail continues northbound. Next stop, Marina Caesars Palace Station.
Oh boy. Alright. Well, hope you enjoyed that little ride. Yeah, like, subscribe, stay floxy. Choo choo!